Hi everyone, today we are going to share with you aluminium tower scaffolding. We are very fortunate to have Lawrence here, who is a tower scaffold specialist. He will share with you the safety requirement of the tower scaffolding. Lawrence, what is tower scaffolding?
Basically, a tower scaffold has 4 standards on 4 sides. It has only 1 working platform. It has 1 bay and it has 4 wheels on it.
Who can erect a tower scaffold?
So a tower scaffold has to be erected by a trained erector under the supervision of a trained supervisor.
Is the tower scaffold erection method different from the others?
So we actually use a 3T method through a trapdoor or the advanced guardrail method during the erection to prevent the erector from falling during erecting of the scaffolding.
Does the scaffold require inspections?
Yes, scaffold has to be inspected by a scaffold supervisor, and once the supervisor has actually inspected the scaffolding, they will actually put a safe to use tag on the scaffold.
What is the maximum height of the aluminium tower scaffold?
For a freestanding aluminium tower scaffold, the maximum platform height is up to 12 meters. It is governed by the lesser base dimension such that the base to height ratio is 1:3. So if the base of the scaffold is 1 meter, your platform height will be able to reach up to 3 meters.
How do you define desert-based dimension?
So let me give you an example. In example A, we have a platform of 2 meter by 1.4 meter. After adding the stabilizers, the dimensions has become 4 meter by 6 meter. Based on the lesser base dimension, we will use 4 meter multiplied by 3. This will give us up to a 12 meter platform height scaffold. In another example, let's say we set up a scaffolding between 2 walls and using the same platform dimension of 2 meter by 1.4 meter, we have to place the stabilizers parallel against the wall. So in this scenario, our lesser base dimension will be 2 meters. So multiply 2 meters by 3, that will give you up to 6 meters in platform height.
What are the safety concerns when using aluminium tower scaffold?
So number 1, the scaffold must be properly erected, must not have any missing toe boards, missing guardrails, diagonals or horizontals. Number 2, the scaffold must be inspected by a scaffold supervisor and labeled safe to use. Number 3, the scaffold must be properly maintained. For example, it should not have any broken welding joints or the wheels that cannot be locked. And number 4, the scaffold is erected for the intended purpose of use. That is, example, do not use the scaffolding to hoist heavy materials. So if the above is not satisfied, please do not use it.
That's it for today. Thanks Lawrence for joining us. See you next time.